Imagine a world where every child grows up with this mindset of believing not just in their own potential, but the potential of everyone around them. They will realize that success is not a zero-sum game, but a collective journey where everyone thrives. We do this through Designathon, a 7-step experiential process which is linked thematically to a larger goal like water, poverty, biodiversity loss, citizenship, and much more. The methodology focuses on creativity, collaboration, empathy, and creative problem solving. At the heart of this innovation and creativity is play. Now, unfortunately, play is often dismissed as something trivial because it takes attention away from the serious business of learning. But the truth is that it is through play that some of the most profound learning happens. It is through play that children learn to experiment, they learn to test boundaries, they learn to collaborate, they learn to negotiate, they learn to try and fail and then try again. Why should children be passive recipients of the decisions that we take when they can be co-creators of a shared future?
Future is to inspire lots of children.
That everyone lives intertwined with the environment. All of the animals in the world will have the same rights as us people do. Try to save the world actually, kind of. Like a nature superhero.